Gulab Jamun is a milk solid-based sweet from the Indian subcontinent, popular in India, Nepal, where it is known as Lalmohun, Pakistan, the Maldives, where it is known as Gulab Jamun, and Bangladesh, where it is known as Gulab Jam, as well as Myanmar. It is also common in Mauritius of Fiji, southern and eastern Africa, Malay Peninsula, and the Caribbean countries of Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Suriname, and Jamaica. It is made mainly from milk solids, traditionally from kuya, which is milk reduced to the consistency of a soft dough. Modern recipes call for dried powdered milk instead of khoya. It is often garnished with dried nuts such as almonds to enhance flavor. In some parts of India, especially in Rajasthan, instead of soaking gulab jamun balls in sugar syrup, they are cooked in gravy made from nuts and tomato to make popular gulab jamun ki sabzi. In this video, we are teaching modern gulab jamun recipe, which is made out of milk powder but in taste is exactly same as you get from Halwai sweet shop. Let's make this. Bismillah. 1 cup Nido, full cream dried milk powder. For best results must use full cream dried milk powder. Half cup of all-purpose flour. About 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 tablespoon of semolina. Pinch of salt. Pinch of green cardamom powder. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add all dry ingredients to a mixing bowl and mix well. Add heavy whipping cream little by little. First add about 3/4 cup of cream. Mix well until sticky mixture comes together. Consistency should be like this. By applying some oil or butter to your hands, make 20 to 30 small smooth balls out of this mixture. Cover and set aside. Now prepare the sugar syrup. On a high heat, place the wide pot. Add 2 cups of sugar and 2½ cups of water. Add pinch of green cardamom powder. And cook until sugar dissolves, after that lower the heat. While sugar syrup is cooking on other stove, prepare the fryer. Heat up the cooking oil for deep frying up to 340 Fahrenheit. Note, for best results you can use ghee for frying. Add dough balls and fry until evenly turn golden brown. Fry in batches and don't overcrowd the fryer. Keep the temperature between 320 to 340 Fahrenheit. And frying method should be like this. By continuing moving gulab jamun balls with skimmer spatula to get the perfect golden brown color all over. If don't have a cooking thermometer, just make sure to fry on the medium to low heat. If oil will be too hot, then gulab jamun will remain raw and harden from the middle. And if temperature will be too low, then gulab jamun will start expanding and turn into uneven shapes. Once right color achieved, remove it immediately by draining the oil. Add these fried gulab jamuns to hot sugar syrup. Cover and remove the sugar syrup pot from the stove. Let it sit for at least ½ hour before serving. Serve warm or cold according to your preference. Garnish with gold or silver leaf, sliced tree nuts, like pistachios, almonds, cashews, or edible roses. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching.